did is I filled the solution tank up. Right here you can see the levels with water. So you put your water in the tank first. A lot of customers will want to put they feel they want to put the solution in first and then put your water in afterwards. What ends up happening is you can end up putting too much solution in because you want it typically 4 parts to 1. This being vinyl, pretty much 10 parts to 1. So I'm gonna run a half tank right now, so you need very little solution because it's concentrated, right? So put your water in first, and then I'm gonna just put a little bit of this in here. Let me set that right down like that. Pour that right in there like that. And this is squeaky I'm doing. Since it's vinyl, I'm gonna go over. And there we go. So very little concentrate there. Put that cap back on and put this back on here. Tighten that top back up. Okay. And tighten the release valve here on that. I'm going to put this right here on the back side. After your solution. This is your tank. It's going to basically pick up all your contaminants. It's going to go to this tank. And as this gets full in here, there's that little ball right there that will come to the surface to let you know that you got to empty this drain, take this tank out. So this is going to be filled with all the dirt and the grime and the junk I'm going to pull off this, what appears to be a beautiful vinyl floor. It still is, but you're going to see what kind of dirt this machine is going to pick up. Okay, we'll do part 2 next.